Today we start with the concept of repeat only. Let us perform the following exercise. Write a pseudocode that accept five number and display their product using while loop. Already it is over.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Hmm. Over.
Then repeat until. Repeat until is execute once, then the condition is evaluated as the following syntax. Means the difference between your while loop and repeat until is what? If your condition is false, then there is no statement is executed in the case of while loop.
Hmm.
But in the repeat until, if your condition is false, at least one time your statement is executed. Okay. As because your statement is fast execute, then condition has changed. It is
Huh.
execute once and then condition is evaluated and it has the
Hmm.
following syntax: repeat, begin and end. If your condition is true, then statement within the uh, repeat block is executed until your condition is valid or true.
Hmm.
So it is a question that you have to find out the average score of 30 students. Average score. So that we're defining marks, then n total,
Hmm.
counter and average.
Hmm.
So we're defining uh, four variable. The mark is 0, total is 0,
Hmm.
and your average is 0.
Hmm.
So for counter equals to 0,
Hmm.
so when initializing value as 0, then 0 less than 30,
Hmm.
it is used for loop. Okay, so it is used for loop, not repeat until. The
Hmm.
0 less than 30 means 0 to 29 means 30 student information it will store. Okay.
Hmm.
Then display enter the total mark of the student, accept mark. So you have to accept the mark of student.
Hmm.
Then you store, you total it, total plus n mark, what are the value you are accepting, you have to totaling it.
Hmm.
Then you have
सर
to find
टोटल टा में कौन नहीं छे
total ଟା zero नहीं है सब मार्क
ना
को
ना माने मार्क्स ओ सब मार्क्स को ऐड करी टोटल जो टोटल मार्क्स जोड़ा हम्म
29 टा मार्क नवा 29
हम्म
sorry 30 टा मार्क नवा 30 टा मार्क नेले
हम्म
n total equals to counter माने divided by 30 the 30 टा
टोटल डिवाइडेड काउंटर हाँ
average it is
हाँ 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 हाँ
है ना
हम्म এইটা স্যার কোউ ইয়ে রে করা হইছে আমার মানে এটা ফর ইয়ে রে করা হইছে বোধে
loop rate
ফর লুপ রে হুম
and if you repeat until is what showing you the example of repeat until. এটা দেখো এই যে প্রোগ্রামটা কথা হলা
Hmm.
first begin a num 1 so we're initializing a value as 1, then it is repeat a statement, begin display number is 1, then 1 plus
Hmm.
1 2 is less than 10, condition
Yes,
is true.
true.
Okay. Then your looping is again coming to here, it is display 2, then 2 plus 1 3 is less than 3, 3 is less than 10, condition is true.
Yes, yes, constitution true.
The 9 for a 9 plus 1 10 ala increment ala 10 is less than 10,
Incremental.
then stop here.
No.
The 1 to 9 j method print karo. Okay, but here if you give us 100, suppose if I give here as 100,
Hmm.
then first it is display 100,
Display 100,
then 100 plus 1 is 101.
101.
Now 101 is less than 10,
No. False.
false. So before
Hmm.
condition false, it is
Hmm.
printing you one time. That is what? It's printing you 100 here. As we are passing 100, then it is coming to
Oh,
here
display 100.
100 plus 1 101 101
हाँ,
greater than 10 condition is
no.
then looping is stopped. So in the case of
One time display ଦଉଛୁ।
if your condition is false, at least one time your statement is executed. Okay,
एग्जीक्यूशन टा एक्चुअली काहा को कहउछु?
the result,
हमें जो एन
the processing of compilation, that is execution.
ओ हो बुझिली।
Means your source code is compiled and it is giving you the output. The total process is called the execution.
यस सर।
Then it is a question. Write a pseudocode to print all the leap year between the range 2000 to 3000. Okay. Write the question. That is the work of your what? Your structure programming language. Basically, it is used to divide your program. Means where you found a lengthy program. So it is not possible for a single person. He has to be developed a lengthy program like banking application or any other application. So that your application is divided into a smaller part. So I give a tax to the RD account department. So RD account department is developed its own way. Saving account department is developed in their own way. Okay, so they develop individually. So after all the development is over, they call all the module into a main module. So your program is complete. So in that way, what happened? It is you when your work is divided, then it becomes what make you very easier and very faster to execute any program or for developing a program. Okay, and the purpose is to call each module whenever any functionality associated with the same needs to be performed. The next is structure programming technique provide a way to break up a long and continuous program into a series of individual modules. So when you are using a structure programming language, so you break the program into a individual module. Module can be integrated through a main module. Okay, so all the modules are called in a main module. From the main program, you can call the each of this module. So in the main program, you call the each of this module. The modules acts as a building block. So see that here the total complex program is divided into a smaller part. Module 1, Module 2, Module 3. So it is handled individually. Module 1 is handled 1%. Module 2 is handled 1%. Module 3 is handled 1%. But all the three modules are called in the main module. Okay. So while dividing a complex program into modules, you can declare the variable within the begin and end block. So within the begin and end block, you have to define a variable of a main program in the modules. The block in which the variable are declared is the scope of a variable. Okay, where you define a variable is called as the scope of the variable. Variable can also declare outside of the begin and block of all the modules and outside of the main program. Some variable that you define outside of the begin and end. So that is for us the what? Global variable. Okay. And the variable that is defined inside the begin and block, you can call as it is local variable. Okay.
ग्लोबल वेरिएबल काम पुणी केमती कोन?
Global variable that you can access the variable anywhere. There is no restriction. Local variable means within
particularly सही जगह रे
within the begin and
end भितर
define करछि त सही ब्लॉक रे केवल यूज करियो. बुझे ना?
यस सर आज्ञा
So depending on the place where the variable are declared, the variable have the following type of scope. One is global scope, another is local scope. The variable that can be used anywhere in the pseudocode have the global scope and called as the global variable. Global variable are declared outside of a module or the begin or end block. Okay.
yes sir
See that here we define a main program. If you notice here in the main program, we define numeric n, norm1, norm2, and n sub. Three variable I have defined. Then display it is asking you enter first number, then you accept a number. Enter second number, you accept a second number. Then here we call the module. Call module sum. It is present in another location. In module sum, we are defining sum equal to norm1 plus norm2. When I call the module sum, the value that I have entered, it is what added and it shows the result. Okay.
oh
It is present in a different path.
कॉल मॉड्यूल सम जाकर डायरेक्टली हम जदी पके परथांते n सम इक्वल टू num1 plus num2 सेमति भी हे परियो
If it is a one program, then it is okay. If I give you the 8 tags to do subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, floor, then it makes you confusion. There is a no what segregation is there. It's just like what you on one switch, then your all lights and fan are open in your home. Okay, so for the individual fan switch is different, light switch is different. The module is making you in that way. The which you want, you call that function. Okay. A variable that is declared inside the begin and end block of a main block function or procedure of the local scope and are called as the local and internal variable. Local variables are created when the statement which is declaring internal variable in the begin and end block. So within the begin and end block, if you define a variable, that is called a local variable. This go out of the scope when the control transfer to the statement outside of the begin and end block. Okay. The next thing we cover in the next class, we start with the module type of module. Okay.
कालीर शेड्यूल आपन को सर मु कह दे राति को जणे दे राति को हमको जाना पड़छ गोटे गोटे दिन तो मु आपन को रात रे कॉल करी कि मेसेज कर देबी
ठीक है
थैंक यू सर